It's not just about dollars and cents, it's about the pulse of progress and the rhythm of innovation that flows through Tesla's veins. In this electrifying video, we're putting on our detective hats and embarking on a mission to decode the cryptic puzzle that is Tesla's true value. From their groundbreaking technology to the very culture that fuels their passion, we're dissecting it all to uncover the golden nugget that makes Tesla shine so brilliantly in the automotive galaxy. Let's not stop at the numbers. Oh no, we're peering into the future, gazing at the potential that lies beyond the horizon. Could Tesla's worth transcend the balance sheets and echo in the energy revolution? Is there a formula that measures the collective aspirations of visionaries, inventors, and enthusiasts alike? As we evaluate Tesla's true worth, we're breaking barriers and igniting discussions that will leave sparks in our wake. So fasten your seatbelts, my friends, because this isn't just a journey through data. It's a voyage through innovation, ambition, and the unyielding pursuit of a sustainable tomorrow. As we embark on this exploration, keep your thoughts ready, your imagination unbridled, and your sense of wonder ignited. The road ahead is charged with insights, surprises, and revelations waiting to be discovered. But hey, before we dive any further into this video, I ask that you smash that like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for more updates. With that said, let's get this video rolling. According to experts, Tesla stock seems to be undervalued, and they're not shy about saying it significantly so. They've given the company a thumbs up for its robust financial condition and decent profitability. Plus, when it comes to growth, Tesla is shining bright. They rank better than a hopping 97.26% of companies in the vehicles and parts industry. Talk about impressive. Now, the cherry on top. Experts suggest that Tesla stock should be valued at $450. Keep that figure in mind. Remember that interaction between Elon Musk and his fans. It sparked a thought-provoking point about how legacy automakers might only change their tune once they feel the pressure. Tesla has been working hard to help other carmakers transition to electric autonomy. They've opened their patent vault, thrown in their superchargers, and even dangled the chance to license their self-driving AI system. It's like deja vu with supercharging, but will these giants catch on with full self-driving? Only time will tell. Now, if you're into Cybertrucks, and who isn't, there's some cool news for you. 3 more of these stealthy Cybertrucks were spotted lurking around, and while we don't have the official pics yet, a Tesla employee from China gave them a nod, saying they're almost identical to the real deal. But wait, there's more good news. Tesla officially snagged the title of the world's biggest energy storage system supplier for the first half of 2023. They've left their mark on this list. Once dominated by Chinese names like BYD, Tesla now holds a tidy 10% share of the 72.4 gigawatt-hour pie. The Chinese players leading the way account for 65%, and other players hold the remaining 25%. Not to be left behind, Tesla is setting up a megapack factory in China to keep up with demand. Speaking of new products, if you're keeping tabs on the new Model 3s, China's the place to be. A batch of refreshed Model 3s is out and about, making a bold statement on the roads. Now, here's the real kicker. Best Buy has placed Tesla's universal wall connector right on their US website's homepage. That's some serious visibility. But hey, it's not all rainbows and butterflies. Colin Campbell, one of Tesla's senior engineering execs, is leaving the Tesla family to join G.B. Straubel's Redwood Materials. For those who don't know, G.B. Straubel is a Tesla co-founder and a current board member. Some might call it a touch of conflict of interest, but Campbell's move has caught the spotlight after being a part of Tesla for a hopping 17 years. He's now making the switch to Redwood Materials, starting from the ground up, rapidly climbing the ladder to become a senior director overseeing powertrain development. Campbell handled everything electrical, mechanical, and manufacturing related for high-powered components like electronics, motors, gearboxes, batteries, and charging systems across both the vehicle and energy divisions. Fast forward, and he's now making a move to Redwood Materials as Chief Technology Officer. Let's not forget about those stock options that might be part of the deal. Redwood Materials was valued at around $3.7 billion, at least as of July 2021. Smaller companies like this often offer clearer visibility into how your efforts affect the bottom line. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow. Moving on, China is turning into a Tesla haven for deliveries. We've got data showing solid deliveries of 13.9K, and that's impressive when compared to last year's Q4, when things weren't so rosy. Tesla seems to have smoothed out that end-of-quarter roller coaster. If we stack it against the previous quarter, we're in the green, and if this trend holds, we might witness another record-breaking quarter. What's more, the rumor mill suggests that Tesla is aiming for a global delivery count of 470K this quarter. As for Gary, he's been praising China's numbers, calling them solid, and he's known for calling things as he sees them. Now, let's talk about the Cybertruck. We've caught glimpses of these futuristic beasts out in the wild, dirt and all. They're certainly catching eyes. Up close, you might spot some fit and finish tweaking that's still on the horizon, but that's par for the course in early production. Remember, these trucks are prototypes. They'll only get better with time. Speaking of evolving, let's address the Twitter news that might raise eyebrows among Tesla investors. There's been some buzz that Twitter's name change could impact app downloads, and that's a bit of a concern. But Elon's here to reassure us. Twitter is clocking in some serious user engagement, minus 346 billion user seconds per day. That doesn't even count a minor spike a while back. So what does this mean? It's like finding a treasure chest of engagement, more eyes, more ads, and more money. Plus, engaged users tend to splurge on premium features like Twitter Blue. Oh, and they're up for solid user feedback too. A little edit replies feature wouldn't hurt, right? Now, onto the grand Tesla parade. Picture this. 2 new vehicles gearing up to hit the scene. A Cybertruck and a refreshed Model 3 for the Highlander version. It's like a double treat for Tesla aficionados. The Model 3 facelift could also make it a lot more affordable, broadening Tesla's reach in the market. Speaking of markets and trends, let's chat about Tesla stock sentiment. Sometimes the market can be a bit moody, and on Friday, it was giving Tesla stock the cold shoulder. But hey, don't let the downbeat vibes get to you. There are 2 game-changing vehicles just around the corner, and that's like having the coolest toy collection on the block. Feeling jittery about stock movements? Just a friendly nudge to refocus your lens. Think about that Cybertruck out there, getting ready to hit the streets. It's a real beast on wheels, and trust me, if you're in the business of making vehicles and you're not Tesla, things might not look too rosy for you. Let's also take a peek at Megapacks. Sure, the ramp-up's been a slow dance for some, but there's a method to the madness. Tesla's juggling not just Megapacks, but also factories, plans, and a global strategy. Guess what? Elon's got some international conversations cooking, and France might just be in the spotlight. But hey, it's all in the numbers, right? Well, not so much when it comes to Megapacks. The exact count's still a bit of a mystery, but remember Rob's wise words. Everything has a ramp, even storage closets packed with batteries. As for stocks, if there's even a hint of a Cybertruck price reduction, that could be like waving a magic wand for Tesla's stock value. Lower cost to build, higher numbers on the stock charts. Oh, and Forbes might have taken a little detour with their shipped Cybertrucks headline. Nope, they're not in customers' driveways yet, they're just on the move. And let's round things off with a bit of a chuckle about a new vehicle that's only rated for 200 miles with an 82 kilowatt-hours battery. Yep, it's got everyone scratching their heads. Sometimes the math just doesn't add up. That's a wrap for today's Tesla update. From soaring stock sentiments to mysterious Megapacks, we've covered it all. But don't forget, the stock market is unpredictable, and the ride is always filled with excitement. Do you find the way the market reacts to Tesla's every move as intriguing as I do? It's like a roller coaster that keeps us all guessing. What are your thoughts on this unique dance between innovation, investor sentiment, and stock charts? As we conclude, I'm eager to hear your insights, your forecasts, and your reflections. Drop your comments below, and let's keep the conversation flowing. Share your thoughts on the Cybertruck's impact, the potential revolution of the Model 3 refresh, and your observations about the market's dynamic behavior. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this Tesla roller coaster.